Hello, this is a quick tutorial on how to use paper cement, also known as rubber cement. This adhesive is not considered in the junk journal world, and I think it should be. It doesn't crinkle, wrinkle pages. You do have to allow for some drying time in between applying the adhesive and then applying it to where you want it to be, but you have to wait for drying time quite often with glues also. So the first thing you want to do is take your image just to save on the paper cement, figure out where you want it to be, make a quick outline. Better if you do it underneath so you won't see it. Okay, so you can see the outline. Now you want to apply the paper cement. It comes with a brush. You just give it a little thin layer. I want to stay in my parameter here. And I also apply it on what I want to put onto the other piece of paper. A little thick, I was just thinning it out. Okay, now we have to wait. Okay, it's been about 2 or 3 minutes and it's dry. It has a slight odor while it's, this is very fragile, so I have to be careful picking it up. It has a slight odor while it's wet, but you can see, or maybe you can't, it was shiny, now it's not. It's dry. It's just slightly tacky. It's not going to do anything to anything else. It's not going to stick anywhere. But it will stick to this, so just place it on here. Press it down, and you're good. Generally, there aren't any wrinkles. If you have a large piece, just place it like if you're trying to line up a piece on this whole sheet here, just make sure you line it up at the beginning and then press it down. It is possible to take it back off if you haven't pressed it down all the way and you still have a gap. Quite often that doesn't work. You can rip it, but it is possible to get it off. There's no way I'd be able to get this one off. So this is a special eraser. You just go around and catch any excess adhesive that you've had on the sides. Like I said, this is a fragile piece, so it's not behaving very well. It will also erase your pencil marks if you happen to have gone outside there. And there you have it. It's totally dry. You can do anything. And as you can see, this is a very thin piece of paper. There is no wrinkling or warping and you're good to go. You can do anything you want. You only had to wait 2 or 3 minutes. You can do something else in your craft area or take care of chores in the house or, you know, do a couple of them. And by the time you've finished doing 2 or 3, the first one will be dry. I would recommend this brand. This is Best Test. I would not recommend the Elmer's brand. I find that it doesn't work very well at all. And the reason why I do it on glass, sorry, there's a glare, is because it very easily cleans up. I just take a paper towel and it comes right off. And I can keep on going. I used to use just scrap pieces of paper to do it on, and then I would throw the paper away, but I thought this was much better. All right, well, I hope that helped, and I hope I can sell you on paper cement because it will save you a whole lot of problems with warping on your pages, and also the fact that glue sticks don't last very long in your projects. So this is a very permanent thing. I've been using it for 25 years, and I can go back at my projects and there's absolutely no way any of it's coming off. So thank you.